We finna bust down my big fat cookie. Wait a minute. I need y'all to see this. It's warm. I warmed it up. It gives you warming instructions on the package. I need y'all to. Oh. This is the Biscoff one. Okay. You see it? I should go for the middle, shouldn't I? Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. It's so much better than I thought it would be. Oh my god. Welcome. Oh, warm and buttery. Yeah. I didn't even get no milk. Napkin. Oh my god, it's so good. Follow the instructions on the package to warm it up. Get you a big fat cookie. Get you a big fat cookie.